this is Angela from BK Ciandre. Today I would like to introduce a very interesting design, which is this. It's like a O, but what will be inside here? Let me explain you. Actually, the purpose we want this design is it's like a hidden. Everything is hidden beside the door. So this is like a one O. When you open, it's like, wow. It's this. It's like a bar cabinet, which you can be widely used in an open kitchen area, which is like people after dining there, they want to have some bar time. So it will be come to here to take some wine and to make some wine here or make some coffee here. So these bar cabinets can be used in big villa for open kitchen area or dining area beside the dining area or a free space for bar time, which is a very interesting, you should say. So this design will make a very creative multifunction materials, which you can see. We can see this is a Hava hidden door. So when you close the cabinets, it's like this. So you want to open, so you hit the door in this. And this is one point. The second point that we use here, we use aluminum to make the curve. So it looks very spacious. And here we use double lighting. I mean, this layer, we double the lighting, so it's a very warm and it looks very spacious. So the wood board, and here we use Laminam countertop. So here is the drawer. Maybe you need to take some cookies or you need some biscuits. So it's just for storage. So beside the countertop and the drawer, we also design a very nice and thin LED lights, which make the atmosphere of these bar cabinets very elegant. So one more thing is that we also use a very new material of Sensosan board. So when you come close, we use a leather edging. So you can see when the lights on, you can see the finish is very nice, very elegant. So the whole set is in a very dark gray and dark down way under the warm LED lights. It looks extremely elegant. So if for some designers, they want to use the like open, big kitchen area beside we call bar cabinets, or beside the dining area, you can say dining cabinets or side cabinets, or you have a very free space. You want looks like a very old, and when you open, it's like a surprise. So you can just make this design. So this is a very interesting. And one more thing to remind you is that if you are a designer, you want to make this design because this system leads to install in this cabinet. So, which means this door, the door panel will be a little bit out of the cabinets, the carglass. So which you can see here, we have near 12 cm. But actually, this space, it depends on how it's your site. And the sliding system and this door panel can be adjustable based on your site situations. So this is just a very warm reminder you when you design this. So when you look the whole design, it's really very simple. But when you open, you can see different creative material mixtures. We BK Ciandre, our design team, would like to do something special. This is one of our designs. In next channel, I would like to show you more designs. So please follow me, and next show, I'm going to show you more creative design products. Thank you. See you next time.